The DJI Air series has consistently set new standards in consumer drone technology. While the impressive Air 3 was launched just last year, a leaked image making the rounds in the drone community hints at its potential successor, the DJI Air 4. In this video, we'll explore the rumours and leaks surrounding this anticipated model, including possible camera upgrades, innovative features, pricing, and release timeline. Let's dive into what might make the Air 4 a standout addition to the series. Although details about the DJI Air 4's design are still scarce, leaked images suggest that it will maintain the compact foldable structure that defines the Air series. It's expected to build on the Air 3's design, which weighs 20 grams, providing flexible flight options. The Air 4 could aim for a lighter build to enhance these advantages further, while retaining the folding arm mechanism essential for portability. The camera housing hints at enhanced imaging capabilities, with the drone's overall body appearing sleek and aerodynamic, consistent with DJI's recent design philosophy. Rumours indicate the Air the 4th of May brings substantial camera upgrades. Speculation suggests that both of its cameras could feature larger 1-inch sensors, significantly improving image quality, particularly in low-light environments. A mechanical shutter might also be introduced, benefiting aerial mapping and reducing distortion in fast-moving shots. Another exciting rumour is the addition of a variable aperture, allowing better control over exposure and depth of field. These improvements would build on the Air 3's dual camera setup, which includes a 24mm wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The Air 4 is also rumoured to support 4K video capture at high frame rates, with possible enhancements to further elevate video quality. The DJI Air 4 is expected to expand on the Air 3's flight features, potentially with significant improvements. One rumoured upgrade is enhanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance, offering better safety and manoeuvrability in complex environments. This system could incorporate advanced sensors and AI algorithms to improve object detection and flight path planning. Although details on transmission system upgrades remain vague, it's likely that the Air 4 will retain key features from its predecessor, such as omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track subject tracking, and an advanced return-to-home function. The Air 4 is rumoured to come with an improved battery, building on the impressive 46-minute flight time of the Air 3. Speculation suggests that larger capacity batteries could push flight times beyond the 46-minute mark, which would be a major advantage for aerial photographers and videographers, allowing for longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions. According to leaks, the DJI Air 4 could be released as early as the second half of this year, in line with DJI's typical release cycles. While no official pricing has been announced, it's expected to be competitive, possibly matching the Air 3's price of $1,099. DJI might also offer a variety of bundle options to cater to different user preferences and budgets. The growing excitement surrounding the DJI Air 4 is palpable within the drone community, as enthusiasts and professionals alike eagerly await what could be a groundbreaking advancement in consumer drone technology. As with any major release from DJI, the anticipation is fueled by a mix of leaks, rumours, and speculative buzz that hints at a wealth of new features designed to push the boundaries of what drones can achieve. If the leaks are to be believed, the DJI Air 4 could usher in significant improvements, not just incremental upgrades, that would redefine the user experience and set new benchmarks for aerial photography, videography, and flight performance. One of the most talked about potential upgrades is the inclusion of larger image sensors. Rumours suggest that the Air 4 could feature 1-inch sensors in both of its cameras, a significant leap from its predecessor. Larger sensors generally result in better image quality, particularly in low-light conditions, where they can capture more detail and produce clearer, sharper visuals. This could be a game-changer for drone enthusiasts who often find themselves shooting in challenging lighting environments, such as during dawn or dusk. For professionals, especially those in real estate, filmmaking, or landscape photography, The ability to capture high-quality images in less than ideal lighting could make the Air 4 an indispensable tool. Adding to the excitement is the rumoured introduction of a mechanical shutter, a feature that would be particularly useful for those involved in aerial mapping or surveying. Mechanical shutters are known for their ability to minimise the distortion that often occurs with electronic shutters when capturing fast-moving objects. This could make the Air 4 an ideal choice for projects that require precision and accuracy, such as topographic mapping, construction site monitoring, or even sports photography. Paired with the potential for a variable aperture, which allows greater control over depth of field and exposure, the Air 4 could offer a level of versatility that meets the needs of both casual users and demanding professionals alike. Flight time is another area where the DJI Air 4 is expected to make significant strides. The Air 3 already boasts an impressive 46-minute flight time, which is one of the longest in the consumer drone market. However, speculation suggests that the Air 4 could push these boundaries even further, potentially exceeding the 50-minute mark. Extended flight times would be a major boon for aerial photographers and videographers, enabling longer shooting sessions without the need to frequently land and swap batteries. This would be particularly advantageous for those working in remote locations where recharging batteries might not be feasible. Longer flight times also enhance the drone's value for tasks like search and rescue operations, wildlife monitoring, or environmental surveys, where extended air coverage is crucial. In addition to improvements in image quality and flight duration, the Air 4 is rumoured to feature enhanced obstacle avoidance technology. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance system introduced in the Air 3 was already a significant advancement, but reports suggest that DJI could be refining this feature even further in the Air 4. With the integration of more advanced sensors and AI-driven algorithms, the drone could become even more adept at navigating complex environments, avoiding obstacles with greater precision, and planning safer, more efficient flight paths. This would make the Air 4 an even more reliable choice for flying in challenging conditions, such as dense forests, urban landscapes, or areas with numerous aerial hazards. Transmission system upgrades are another area of speculation, though details remain scarce. The Air 3 already provides strong, stable transmission with its O3 Plus system, but the Air 4 could potentially introduce improvements that further enhance its range, signal stability, and video feed quality. Whether through increased transmission distance, more reliable connections in congested areas, or higher resolution real-time video feeds, any such upgrades would further cement DJI's dominance in the consumer drone market. This would be particularly appealing to professionals who require long-range flights and stable, high-quality video feeds for live broadcasts, event coverage, or inspections. Despite all this excitement, it's important to temper expectations with a healthy dose of skepticism. The drone industry is no stranger to leaks and rumours, but not all of them turn out to be accurate. While the images and details circulating about the DJI Air 4 have sparked considerable interest, there's always a chance that they might not depict the final product. Some speculation suggests that the images could actually be of a DJI Air 3S, rather than an entirely new Air 4 model. The Air 3S would likely represent a more modest upgrade, building on the strengths of the Air 3 without introducing the significant leaps in technology that many are hoping for in the Air 4. DJI has been known to release models with incremental updates between major product releases, so it's possible that what we're seeing could be part of that strategy. Furthermore, DJI's product development history suggests that while they consistently introduce meaningful upgrades, they often do so in a way that builds on the success of previous models rather than completely reinventing the wheel. It's possible that the Air 4 could retain many of the Air 3's core features, such as its dual camera system, compact foldable design, and high-quality transmission, while focusing on refining and enhancing these features rather than introducing entirely new technologies. This wouldn't necessarily be a disappointment, as the Air 3 is already a highly capable drone, but it's worth keeping in mind as we await official confirmation from DJI. Ultimately, the buzz surrounding the DJI Air 4 is a testament to the brand's reputation for innovation and quality. Even if some of the rumours turn out to be exaggerated or inaccurate, The fact that there is so much excitement around the potential release speaks volumes about the high expectations the drone community has for DJI. Whether it's the introduction of larger sensors, mechanical shutters, extended flight times, or advanced obstacle avoidance, the Air 4 has the potential to be a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup. However, as with any pre-release speculation, it's important to remain patient and wait for official details to emerge. Until DJI makes an official announcement, all we can do is continue to speculate, discuss, and dream about what might be in store for one of the most anticipated drones of the year. In the meantime, the excitement will undoubtedly continue to build as drone enthusiasts eagerly dissect every new leak, rumour, and piece of information that surfaces about the DJI Air 4. Whether you're a casual hobbyist looking for the next upgrade or a professional seeking a cutting-edge tool for your aerial photography and videography needs, the DJI Air 4 promises to be a model worth watching closely. As we await DJI's official reveal, the Air 4 remains one of the most talked about releases in the drone industry, and for good reason. Let us know your thoughts on the upcoming DJI Air drone in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.